Let's get ready. We start the match in 3, 2, 1, go!
We're ready to move. Teams firing into the goal from multiple ends. Artifacts flying on in. Blue Alliance continuing to score with their double white robot turret action. Blue on the Blue Alliance, by the way, Meta Infinity currently ranked 3, Ice currently ranked number 1. 19652 Techineers out of Naperville, Illinois. Continuing to fire, flying back in, raising up the score for this Red Alliance. They are aiming high, continuing to bring up scores as Autonomous expires.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. Three, 2, 1.
Blue Alliance taking a lead 92-55 coming out of that match. Already 28 artifacts up for the Blue Alliance. Looks like Ice Robotics taking the far field shots as Meta Infinity takes up the near field, hauling it back in and continuing to score with a constant flow of artifacts for this Blue Alliance. Red Alliance also scoring up very well. 15-7-89, that's Robo Cats. Aiming their turret up towards the goal. They just released an artifact. Now heading back out to intake near the Red Alliance secret tunnel. 19652 Techineers on a boarding an artifact, grabbing 2 more from right up against the depot near the goal. They're aiming their turret up. Artifacts go up, but they do go a little bit wide and high. Artifacts flying as Techineers keep on looking to aim that turret. Minute 10 left to go. 239-114 is that score. Blue Alliance already locking up that goal ranking point. They might be on track for a high score at this rate. Artifact continuing to fly in. Blue struggling almost to keep their gate clear with how quickly these artifacts are flying in. 50 seconds to go. Blue Alliance above 100 artifacts scored and above 300 points on the board. Red Alliance looking to aim. Techineers possibly having some aiming difficulties as their turret does seem to be drifting wide. Still got about 40 seconds left to work through that and figure it out. 15-7-89 Robo Cats aiming up towards the goal, looking to push an artifact into their turret, but having a bit of trouble. 27 seconds left to go. 126 artifacts on the board for the Blue Alliance, continuing to fire it up. Ice Robotics from the near field. Meta Infinity following up from far away, pulling artifacts on a board as 15 seconds left to go. Blue Alliance crests above 400 points. They've already locked up the goal RP. Looks like they're trying to lock down the base RP. 3 seconds left. If they did that full and partial successfully, they will get it as time expires in
Blue Alliance. Blue Alliance. 466. 56 points. Event high.